Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Other measures of anti-snake venom: antibiotics, antihistaminics, hydrocortisone, neostigmine, heparin, and hemodialysis is done. Oral consumption of snake venom is not poisonous. The venom proteins are digested. So, animal died by snake bite is consumed. If consumed, is not harmful. Animal died by snake bite if consumed is not harmful because snake venom proteins can be digested in our body if consumed. It is harmful when the blood of that died animal is injected into the human body.
thank you and thank you for watching.